You're not lazy, you're not bad at time management.
You're just running a whole business on a to-do list that was only ever meant for groceries.
If you're a solo creator, freelancer, or one-person business, you don't need more motivation. You need a command system.
Stay with me for 3 minutes, and I'll walk you through a 3-layer RAD² command system you can sketch in under 60 seconds every morning. So you end each day with 3 real wins, not 37 unfinished tasks. Right now, your life probably looks like this. Client work, content ideas, invoices, DMs, taxes, that course you keep meaning to launch. All stacked into one endless list. That's like trying to run an international airport, with one runway and no control tower. Planes start circling, fuel runs out, crashes happen.
That's your energy. That's your focus.
We fix this by giving your work 3 different altitudes. Grab a notebook, tablet, or whiteboard. Draw 3 horizontal layers. 1. Top layer, missions. 2. Middle layer, pipelines. 3. Bottom layer, tasks. This is your global command board. Every morning, you're not doing tasks. You're sitting in the control chair, running this board. Top layer, big text. Missions answer one question. What are the 1 to 3 active outcomes I'm building toward this month or quarter? Examples. Fill 3 new design client slots. Publish 8 high-value videos. Build version 1 of my course. Hard rule, maximum 3 active missions. Anything that doesn't serve a mission becomes optional or gets deleted. Your brain finally knows what game it's playing. Middle layer. Pipelines are repeatable workflows that move a mission forward. Examples. YouTube video pipeline, idea, outline, script, record, edit, publish, promote. Client project pipeline, discovery, proposal, draft, revisions, delivery, testimonial. You are not randomly working. You are moving pieces one step along a pipeline. Write down 2 to 4 pipelines under each mission. Bottom layer. Tasks are single visible actions you can complete in 45 minutes. Each task must be attached to a mission. Why? A pipeline step. Where? A time block or trigger. When? Instead of work on website. You write mission, fill 3 client slots. Pipeline, sales page. Task, write 3 bullets for hero section, 9:30, 9:50 a.m. Tasks, stop being noise. They become scheduled moves inside a system. Here's how you use this in real life. Every morning, do a 5-minute command brief. 1. Look at your 3 missions. Still true? Adjust if needed. 2. Choose 1 to 2 pipelines that matter most today. 3. For each pipeline, define 1 to 3 tasks you will definitely land. 4. Put those tasks directly into time blocks on your calendar. 5. Ruthlessly delete or defer anything that doesn't serve a mission. You've just turned chaos into 3 precise wins for the day. Imagine closing your laptop tonight and knowing exactly which missions advanced, which pipelines moved, which planes landed. No more. I was busy all day but did nothing. Because you're not a task robot. You're the global commander of your one-person enterprise. If this helped, comment below with your 3 current missions. Save this video and rebuild tomorrow morning as your first RAD² command brief. And if you want the next layer, how to link this board into your calendar, notes, and files, hit subscribe. That's the next upgrade.